Welcome to Walk on Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real out of the real. Dovey Magnum released her new video for female Shella, which has plenty of females as well as some guest artists including Gold Digger. Check out this snippet of her video.
What them a talk about? Dovey with the Magnum ball out. No girl can wear me, she grab up. The tracks them fall out. You know, sister, that a bad girl they are. Pretty and rough, me no afraid of no woman. Run up in a gal face, female Shella. Rounding bout me get tapped.
As we said in our last episode, Gold Digger and Dovey Magnum have been hanging out very much closely, and as you can see, they've released their medley video on this experience with them. You can go check that out now on YouTube. Spice and Dexter Daps made their guest appearance on the BET Hip Hop Awards. In addition to that, Spice has also made a big announcement on Instagram for her return.
Vacation is over! Vacation done, free paper bun. Vacation done! Vacation done! Finito! What's going on? What I deal with? What never miss
Ding
me?
Dong took over NYC with his grand birthday bash at Amazuro. In attendance was Shensia, TJ, Chabas, and of course he had some upcoming artists. One of Walk on Dancehall's favorites was also in attendance to perform.
Yo, Shella, I like the one full experience.
One of the ladies that were like, fuck. One of the sexy man to know to fuck dogs.
You know to be a thing. You're cocky long like tree.
Another birthday that just passed was Shensia, and her gift to us was releasing a snippet of a possibly new video releasing. Let me know what you think about this.
Me nah gonna lie to you, but me have to tell you, say me love it when you finger me. Something special about the feeling what I feel when you're indexing to me. Yeah. Put it in my region, used to if you feel like one is uneven. Wetter than the rainy season, easy off a slide, come a full of secretion. Cheese spots, beg you feel for it, flick it with your fingertip. Fingernail not dirty, regular, you use the finger clip.
On Sunday, news reported that Louis Rankin had passed away in a car crash. Louis Rankin was also known for his major roles in Belly and Shattas. Many artists have expressed their condolences on Instagram. His family had released this statement as well. Congratulations are in order for Kranium, whose breakout song Nobody After has officially went gold. He also will be releasing a new song called In Charge on October 11th. But that is it for Walk on Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.